I have Googled absolute location of Richfield, Utah, and when it loads, I get 168,000 results. However, not all results are what we want. If you look here, yes, I get the coordinates, but remember, we have to be able to cite the source. And if I click on the image, it just takes us to a picture, so that's not going to work. So I'm going to X out of that, and then I look at the rest of my results. So Highland, Utah, Richland, Utah, Mexico, nope, none of those. If I click on Utah latitude and longitude, that's only for the state of Utah. So I'm going to keep looking, and then I said, oh yes, Richfield, Utah. This looks like it will work. So when the page loads, I can see latitude and longitude are there. And then I can see that there is a nice map, and there's also information. Okay, now that I have my latitude and longitude coordinates, I'm going to go ahead and copy those into my text box that I have specific for the absolute location. And now I have that in there. So I like how that looks, so I'm going to hit return and I'm going to type source. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click that twice to highlight it and come up here and click the insert link. And then I'm going to come over to the URL and I'm going to highlight it and copy it. And then I'm going to Control V and place that in there. That way I have my source information of where I specifically got the latitude and longitude information. Relative location of Richfield, Utah. We'll see what it populates. So now it's telling us that it's positioned in both the northern and western hemispheres. Let's go into that one. That looks pretty good. Oh, it's giving us back to Utah, so that is not going to work for us. So it's not something simple. You really have to go in and dig in when you are researching. Here's one just on Wikipedia that is Richfield. So let's click on that. Oh, here we go. It's the city and county seat of Sevier County, Utah in the United States. So relative location then, we could put it is in Sevier County and in the southern central state of Utah, period. Okay, I'm going to hit return. I'm going to type in the word source. I'm coming up here and I'm going to do Control Copy. I'm going to click source twice to highlight it, click the insert link, Control V, and click apply. And now we have the absolute and relative location of central Utah.